Hey homeowners, this is Bianca with another episode of MF Home TV. If you live in an open space apartment, then you do have your advantages like paying lower rent, staying in the heart of the city. But I am sure that there are challenges that come with it as well, like arranging your living room and your dining room together, and even sometimes your bedroom. They say that you can't design it because you have to cram everything into a small space, but I think that this is definitely a misconception and we are here to prove it. So today we are going to show you 4 layouts and 4 styles combining the living room and the dining room for you to learn from and hopefully help you with your open space home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell icon below. Let's begin. First style is chic, and our first layout is what we're going to call back to back. Let's arrange first our living room. The TV is against the wall and our sofa is in the middle. Our furniture is light in color and most of it is white and oak to get that chic feel. This is why it's called the back-to-back layout, because we will be placing our dining table against the back of the sofa. The sofa serves as an anchor to our dining table. Our rattan pendant lighting above our dining table serves as a way to separate the dining area from the living room. In this layout, you can watch the TV while eating. You can also easily grab food and drinks as it's just an arm's reach. Our next style is modern luxe, and our layout is similar to our previous layouts but with just one difference. Our TV is still against the wall and our sofa is still floating. Instead of anchoring the dining table, what we will anchor on its back is a console table. This console table is the separation from the two areas. It is multifunctional as it could be a buffet and a console. You can arrange the dining set parallel or perpendicular to the sofa. The luxe style is all about looking expensive, but because we added a touch of modern, our pieces instead of gold are in silver or chrome. Modern luxe is also monochromatic with just a few pops of color here and there. Here's a tip. For small spaces, visual lightweightness is a must. This means as much as possible, get furniture that keep down the visual noise or in a way disappears. Choose furniture that is delicate in their frames and are made of glass like our coffee and console tables. Our third to the last style is industrial with a side layout. Our TV is against the wall and we will place the dining set on the very same wall. On the side. Having an open space means your style with your living room or dining room or bedroom should connect to one theme, because that's how you make your space look cohesive when someone walks in from the front door. Our dining table and our TV racks are similar to each other in design, that placing it beside each other won't let either one stick out like a sore thumb. Our separation of areas will be brought by this plant here. Industrial style could be the most recognizable style there is, because it's about dark wood and metal combination in the furniture. For a space-saving tip, get furniture that doubles as storage, like this coffee table with a sliding drawer that you can store maybe magazines, the remote, and snacks. The last style and layout is the modern contemporary style with a front layout. This layout is for homes with a weird angle. We will be placing our sofa and our TV against the wall perpendicular to the sofa. Our dining set will be in front of the living room. This layout is great because our TV is in the middle. It is shared, making the TV viewable in both areas of the space. The thing that defines the separation here is the carpet, and you might get confused with the two terms, modern and contemporary. Modern design refers to design from a previous era that has already passed, while contemporary design is all about the design in the present and maybe in the future. We can see the modern design in our dining set and our contemporary design in our console table, coffee table, pendant light, and sofa. Contemporary likes to be in black, white, and gray, but if color is added, it leans to saturated colors that pop, like our sofa. Remember that the positioning of your furniture, the layout, the style can all be combined together to create a beautiful home, no matter how tiny it is. Just take note of the pieces that you can use for separation, because that is very important. Delineation. Alright, so just please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell icon below. This is Bianca, inspiring your home.
Here is the comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.